Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to import Shutterstock images into PhotoDirector. There are three ways to achieve that. The first is to open the file menu, select the import item and select the item from Shutterstock from the submenu. The second way is to click on import button in the left bottom corner here and select the same item from the context menu from Shutterstock. The third way is to click on the Shutterstock button just beside the import button. Change the Shutterstock photo browser dialog size to have more room for images. Type any search keyword into the search field and press enter, or click on magnifying glass to retrieve images from Shutterstock. Select the desired photos by clicking on this small square on the top of all images. And if you are done with selection, then hit import. After a few seconds, the download will finish and the images will appear in the latest import folder. You can edit them. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye.